material on the roof. Have a lot of stuff. The wireless, the gas pipes. So it's gonna be fun, a lot of fun. And also we have a beautiful view on the Havasu. Havasu Lake.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could.
Alright, we done for today. It's a 30 square duro-last. It's a fan foam installations and rubber with walls and flesh and metal, everything completely done. Alright, we starting clean up there, clean up the section where we're gonna land today. It's like 20 square, I guess. It's gonna be this one, like bunch of units, pipes and other stuff. I'm gonna show you how we stretching rubber, screwing. So I'm gonna show you how to do mechanical attach duro-last rubber PVC.
You are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. 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 Bet you taste like chocolate. Bet you taste like chocolate. I wanna wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be.
Oh shit, it's too hot. Look, one guy just dying. Cesar, what's going on? You dying? That's it? Too weak? Huh? Too weak. Okay, we'll finish laying all field. Tomorrow gonna do a couple of sweeps. Actually 4 units. And the walls. That's the plan for tomorrow. Duro-last. Cesar! Basura, everything. This one, basura. Take everything garbage and go home. Recording. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do mechanical attached duro-last wall. We're not gluing, we're just screwing, and this looks perfect. This looks so beautiful. Sexy box. See? Just seam over here, and metal. Mechanical attached duro-last.
Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Listen here, buddy. Pussy by association. Pussy by association. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Pussy by association.
LUNA&GROM. Right. So we done with this 150 square roof. Everything completely finished. Everything done. Just unloading material. Scupper box like overflow. Okay. So teacups, vents, pipe, boots, everything.